When me tell them, oh, Tom's Perez and Polly Bean combination, John. What a time! Tell them!
Oh, what a time we're in.
Oh, what a time.
Oh, what a time this is.
Oh, what a time.
Oh, what a time we're in.
Oh, what a time.
Oh, so much hope, so much pain, so much happening.
Well, in this time, they not have respect for mankind. In the time, woman happy, they do so quite bad. And in the time, everyone, them jump like a lemon. In the time, they no run for post the carbine. Every youth have to step up the ladder, you fi climb. Mono corruption, jealousy, and bad mind. Some of them are trouble and a work 9 to 5. Life is rocky, one it and go live right.
Oh, what a time we're in.
Oh, what a time.
Oh, what a time this is.
Oh, what a time.
Oh, what a time we're in.
Oh, what a time.
Oh, so much hope, so much pain, so much happening.
Some people wake up in the morning and don't want to slide. One little thing make them blood pressure boil. But done wicked and busy all the while. Move a she grow me as a little brain child. Big up oofy, big up respect all the while. Wickedness of one in the world and a lie. Countries a fight for the peace of the pie. The violence in the world it not stop multiply.
Alright, and the tide is turning. Alright, and new vibes emerging. Alright, the tide it is turning. Alright, and new vibes emerging. Oh, what a time we're in. What a time this is. Oh, what a time we're in. Oh, so much hope, so much pain, so much happening. Don't forget all that's good and be left feeling cold. Hope is a fire in the depths of my soul. Big up all the ones who get up and stand tall, who fight for their rights of each and for all. People power we galvanize, people power we utilize. People wake up and realize the manipulation of humankind. Oh, what a time we're in. Oh, what a time this is. Oh, what a time we're in. Oh, so much hope, so much pain, so much happening. Oh, what a time we're in.
When me say,
Oh, what a
Tom's
time
Perez and Polly Bean
this
combination.
is. Oh, what a time we're in. Oh, so much hope, so much
What
pain,
a
so much